So this vehicle behind me has already been through the repair process, now has made its way down the fix line to have the masking done ready for priming. Once the priming has been completed, then it will move further down the fix line into the area where that gets prepped ready for refinishing. That will also get then remasked and into our Simac bay for final refinish.
So the repair process has now moved into the primer stage. The panels have been flatted and are now ready for taping. For this we'll be using the Q1 high performance tape. We'll also be using the square edge tape for the door shuts to help fill the gap. So to outline the primer repaired area, we're going to be using the high performance tape and a combination with the Q1 T-tape. So we've used the drop-down masking to cover the side of the vehicle, being prepared for primer. It's now ready for primer application. So the car's been primed and has now been flatted in P320 and 500, ready for the paint process. We'll now be masking up the car, ready for paint. So the car's now moved into the paint process, where 3 coats, a base coat will be applied along with a clear coat, which is why we look to use a high performance tape which won't lift during the bake process, and Q1 does that well.